To recap, we've got this 3-month agenda, a 3-month process, 1-month agenda, and then a 1-month process. And then within that, a 7-day agenda, and then the Earth cycle, a 7-day process. Just wrapped up the first 7-day process within the month and within the 3 months. So now that we're done with that first week, I'm going to be summarizing all of this week. And I'm going to summarize it within these 2 circles within the lunar cycle, within the 1-month cycle. Also, I'll be filling in this 1 circle within the 3-moon cycle. So this is how you slowly build on your high-level plan, my high-level 3-month plan. After a single week, you fill in this. You get a little bit more granular. For a 1-month plan, you fill in these aspects right here. And then once I have those filled in, I'll go back, and then now I'm going to fill in, let's go. The next step will be creating the map for the next 7 days. That's how this works. 3-month plan, 1-month plan, and then multiple iterations of a 7-day plan.